What the hell?
Nadadag yung foot ko dito. Nadadag yung pagdaan.
Ibalik yung upuan na yan.
Goodness.
Sino naglagay niya ito?
You picked the wrong package. We didn't try that.
Sino naglagay ng upuan na yan?
Hindi ako yun.
Elric, ibalik mo yung upuan. Kaya mo bang iurong yan?
Ayoko yun.
Kaya mo iurong yan, Elric?
James.
Sige nga, sino? Ikaw ba yung malakas sa inyo ni Kuya Aaron?
Is this my spider monkey pelt? Maybe. I don't know what it is.
Puput.
Bro. They're just spider monkey-ish. No monkey business.
Kuya Aaron, hindi na kayo
Can I actually see the red car? Never mind. That was helpful. Marcus, I'm sorry about your sister. Just I won't be beating this one. Don't go out. A what?
Ayun. Yung
What?
ayaw mo yun.
Shoot. Four choices.
Puput yan.